everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 714 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I don't know if I could be more excited about an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be trying out the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I just got this in my January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I was so happy when I got this. If you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. But seriously, like, this palette I think was made for my eyes. Like, my eyes to look at and hopefully for my eyes to wear. But like, this is what makes my eyes happy. Like, these colors are so beautiful to me. And so, as you can see, there's 9 shades here, 3 mattes, and then the rest are shimmers or glitter. And then you get this big mirror, which is so convenient. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to play around with this. Okay, before I do that, I am gonna have to swatch each shade. These just have like such a great texture to them, so buttery. Beautiful. Ooh, that glitter. Gosh. I love all of those colors already. You'll have to excuse my bright green bathrobe. It's so cold today that I had to put on this fleece comfy robe. Ooh, these glitter shades keep really impressing me. Can't get over these colors. Gosh. Ooh, that is such a gorgeous, like, pinky silver shimmer. And that like neon shade. Oh my gosh, those last two that I swatched I think are my favorites. Okay, I need to definitely incorporate those 2 shades into my look. So here are the swatches. I'm really happy with how they swatched. Okay, and then since I'm reviewing this palette, I am gonna go ahead and test it with and without an eyeshadow primer. So on just one of my eyes, I'm applying the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So that way we can see if these eyeshadows need a primer, if there's any difference. Okay, and so to start out, I am gonna go into the crease. And it's so convenient having these swatches on my hand to help me determine what colors I want to use. But this one here is going to be a perfect crease shade. So that's this one in the top corner. So I'm just going to put this in the crease, but a little bit above the crease as well, kind of up towards the brow bone. And I'm applying this with a larger fluffy crease brush. Oh, and right away, like, so easy to blend out, such even application, such a pretty color. All right, be very zoomed in for this, right? This is actually like a really great transition shade for all of those purple tones, because it's not too warm and it's not too cool toned. Because there is such a range of purples, and I feel like this palette really gets all of those different purple tones. So we've got that shade down, and next I'm picking up a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to deepen up in the crease with this color here, which is the darker matte shade. And I'm gonna apply that right into the crease, and so it's below the shade that I just applied. And wow, is this pigmented. You only need a little bit to get that gorgeous color. And I feel like that could not be any easier to blend. Wow. Yeah, that really amps up the crease and adds a lot of dimension to the eye. Loving these two shades blended together. I feel like I just need to really incorporate this neon purple shade. It's really calling my name. I'm really drawn to it. So since this is a shimmery shade, I'm going to pick it up with my finger and I'm going to apply that all over the lid except for the inner corner. Oh my gosh, it's just so bright and so beautiful. And I just need this in my look. It's so full pigment, full color. Oh, I think this is like my favorite shade of eyeshadow I've ever worn. I still have the plastic on this. I'm like, I thought this mirror looked kind of blurry. That's better. So pretty. And then finishing off the eyelid with this shimmery shade here, which I think is so pretty. And I'm applying that to the inner corner, going a little bit to the inner eye as well to brighten. And to blend. I'm loving these colors. How many times am I gonna say that? I think my lipstick color makes this look a little too much. Like, I don't love this lipstick color with this eyeshadow look, but I thought that this lipstick was gonna go with the palette, but the eyeshadow look that I went for went in a different direction. So I would probably prefer more of like a clear gloss or a nude subdued lip with this eyeshadow look. But we're not reviewing my lipstick right now. We are reviewing this palette and oh, so pretty. Now, I definitely need to take some of this purple color along the lower lash line, and I really want to use this purple shade here. So picking up more of a flat, dense brush, I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. And I'm going to kind of take that lower lash line up a little bit and kind of extend the outer V a little bit. And connect the lower lash line kind of with the outer corner. Because I like to add a little extra to the outer corner of my eyelid to add a little extra depth and lift to my eye. So, and I feel like that really helped to lift the eye. You can see the difference with a smoked out little corner there versus without it. I really like the effect of that, and this shade is so pretty. Okay, so they say that purple complements green eyes, and I mean, it could just be because I have some bright colors on my eyes that's drawing the attention to my eyes, but I think it really is nice and enhancing. All right, let's finish off the other eye. Flicking it upwards. And there we have a purple smoky eye. I feel like I could have and will have so much fun playing around with this palette. Like all of these shades, there are so many different ways to wear them, so many amazing eyeshadow looks to be created. I can't wait to watch so many different tutorials on this palette and get more ideas. But For this look, just playing with the colors that really spoke to me when I first swatched them, I am so happy with it. I am obviously so excited to have this in my collection. So happy I got this in Ipsy this month. If I didn't already say so, normally this retails for $27, and I think it is so worth it. Such beautiful shades, so easy to apply, really great quality. Which reminds me, let's see how this looks with and without the eyeshadow primer. And I really do think that the eye with the primer looks brighter, like especially with that inner corner, the lighter shade, it really pops more on the eye with the primer. But there's no creasing, surprisingly, on the eye without the primer. And I have a lot of lines in my eyelid, so that's good that this formula doesn't crease. But for these shades, you really want to have as bright and bold color as possible. And I really feel like it's a noticeable difference with the primer. So I will definitely continue using a primer with these eyeshadows because I want these shades to pop. I'm surprised that it's such a drastic difference with and without the primer. But I'm glad I tried that out, so now we know. I will have my review on the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, that video that I created dedicated to this eyeshadow primer. I'll have that video linked in the description down below as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.